Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to code. In this video, we'll be exploring ChatGPT, a natural language processing tool that allows you to write code using plain English. This is especially useful for beginners who may not be familiar with the syntax of programming languages, or for those who want a more efficient way to write code. To get started with ChatGPT, you'll need to install it on your computer. You can do this by going to the ChatGPT website and following the installation instructions. Once you have ChatGPT installed, you can start using it to write code in any programming language. For example, let's say we want to write a simple program in Python that prints "Hello, world" to the console. To do this with ChatGPT, we'll start by opening up the ChatGPT terminal and typing in our command, "Write a Python program that prints "Hello, world" to the console." We can then copy and paste this code into a text editor and run it to see the "Hello, world" message printed to the console. But ChatGPT can do much more than just translate simple commands. You can use it to write entire programs by chaining together multiple commands, or by asking it to complete specific tasks for you. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write a program that reads in a CSV file and performs some data analysis on it. You might start by asking ChatGPT to import the necessary libraries for reading a CSV file in Python. Then you can ask it to read in a CSV file called data.csv and store the contents in a variable called data. Finally, you can ask it to calculate the mean of the age column in the data variable. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate the code for you, allowing you to focus on the task at hand instead of worrying about the syntax of the programming language. So there you have it, a quick overview of how to use ChatGPT to code. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you'll give ChatGPT a try for yourself. Happy coding! If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Please comment any feedback as it is greatly appreciated. That is the end of today's video. Have a great day.